permanent makeup aftercare for the eyebrows, whether it's microblading, whether it's powder brow, whether it's nano brow, the aftercare is going to be the same. Before your procedure, you want to stop using anti-aging products in that area just to make sure the skin's intact and it's not damaged, and that will help your color take better. So no anti-aging products 1 week before. On the day of your procedure, you get your brows done, you go home. The only thing you're gonna do is you might notice some lymphatic fluid coming to the surface. You'll just get a clean tissue paper and gently press and absorb that fluid. And that's all you're gonna do day 1. After that, day 2, you can actually wash your procedure. You will get a mild soap, wash your hands, squeaky clean hands, a little bit of soap and water, gently wash your eyebrows, rinse, pat dry, and leave them alone. If you have dry skin and your skin starts to feel tight, dry, and itchy, I'm gonna send you home with a packet of A&D ointment. You will use the smallest little amount, like the size of a piece of rice, will cover both brows. Put a very thin layer over them, leave them alone. If you have oily skin or they don't feel tight, dry, and itchy, and you don't wanna do this, don't do it. Leave them cool, just leave them dry. That's great too. But you just don't want to overuse this. If you overuse this, you put it on too thick, it's going to cause color loss. It's going to cause your hair strokes to migrate and spread. You're going to lose all that definition. So just cool and dry. No swimming, saunas, no excessive sweating during workouts, no long hot showers. And then I'll send you home with these little visors that stick on your forehead, so that when you're in the shower, that will keep all your hair products off of your eyebrows and the excess water. So the only time you want to get them wet is that once a day when you're cleaning them. So, and then that little bit of ointment as needed. That will go on for 1 to 2 weeks. That's different for everybody. The longer the scabs stay on, the better. You don't want to pick or scratch or rush those off. If you do, you're going to cause color loss. After all the scabs have come off, you can go back to your regular regimen as long as you keep anti-aging products away from your eyebrows, like vitamin C, retinol, hyaluronic acid. If it exfoliates your skin or lightens your skin, it's going to take away your color. So always stay at least a ½ inch away with those products. But once the scabs are off, you can put a little makeup over them if you need to, and you might need to because you go through that ghosting phase where they look like they're fading away for a little bit. That'll go on for another couple weeks. So at the end of 4 to 6 weeks, you'll have your final result, and you'll know at that time whether or not you want the color lighter, darker, we got to tweak anything, you'll know at that time. But just, don't judge it till the end and just trust the process. And if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, send me a text, and I'll answer them for you. Thanks.